Today, we will explore a new chapter in our course, shifting our focus from the legal framework of international law to the art and practice of diplomacy. In this lecture, we will uncover the essence of diplomacy, trace its historical evolution, and examine various theoretical frameworks that have shaped our understanding of this complex and fascinating field. The nature of diplomacy. Diplomacy, in essence, is the art and practice of conducting negotiations between states and other international actors. It involves a range of activities from formal talks and summits to informal communication and cultural exchange. The primary goal of diplomacy is to promote peaceful relations, resolve conflicts, and advance national interests through dialogue and cooperation. Diplomacy is often characterized by communication. Effective communication, both verbal and nonverbal, is essential for building trust, understanding different perspectives, and finding common ground. Negotiation. Diplomats are skilled negotiators, adept at balancing competing interests and finding mutually acceptable solutions. Representation. Diplomats represent their countries and advocate for their national interests in the international arena. Information gathering and analysis. Diplomats collect and analyze information on international developments to inform their government's foreign policy decisions. The history of diplomacy. Diplomacy has a long and rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. Early forms of diplomacy involve the exchange of envoys and messages between rulers and empires. Over time, diplomacy evolved and became more formalized with the establishment of permanent embassies and diplomatic protocols. The modern system of diplomacy emerged in Europe during the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods. The Treaty of Westphalia in 1648, which ended the 30 Years' War, is considered a landmark in the development of modern diplomacy, establishing the principle of sovereign equality and the importance of diplomatic relations. Theories of diplomacy. Throughout history, various theories have attempted to explain the nature and purpose of diplomacy. Some of the most prominent theories include realism. This theory views diplomacy as a tool for pursuing national interest and maximizing power in a competitive international system. Liberalism. This theory emphasizes the role of diplomacy in promoting cooperation, building trust, and establishing international norms and institutions. Constructivism. This theory focuses on how ideas, identities, and norms shape diplomatic practices and interactions. Critical theories. These theories challenge traditional notions of diplomacy, highlighting power imbalances, inequalities, and the role of non-state actors in international relations. The 21st century diplomat. In the 21st century, diplomacy faces new challenges and opportunities. Globalization, technological advancements, and the rise of non-state actors have transformed the diplomatic landscape. Modern diplomats must be adept at navigating complex multilateral negotiations, engaging with diverse stakeholders, and utilizing new communication tools and platforms. Diplomacy remains a critical instrument for addressing global challenges and promoting peaceful cooperation. By understanding its nature, history, and theoretical foundations, we can gain valuable insights into how diplomacy works and how it can be used to build a more just, equitable, and sustainable world.